Good morning everyone, here from Cancun in Mexico. We arrived here a few days ago from Portugal, but we've just been resting. We haven't done anything at all so far. We also had to leave Portugal because we're not citizens there, we can't stay there forever. And Carol had actually already overstayed on a Brazilian passport. She only gets 3 months. And we stayed there for 3 months and a half, which the Portuguese said was okay. We did call them, but they did say we kind of had to get out before March, so we'd have to make a move anyway. And the only other real option than coming here was to go to Rio, since we're citizens of Brazil, and there is even worse than here. And we didn't really want to be in a big city anyway, a big busy city. So yeah, this is a better option. So the place we're staying here is called Hotel Nade. It's like a hotel apartment place. So yeah, you can see we got this really big living room area, small little dining table, and we got these two little like queen size beds. They are very small and we're pretty tall, so we end up sleeping in one each. And then besides that, just like the wardrobe area, got the TV overlooking the beds. And then through here we have a pretty big kitchen as well, so yeah, we can do all our cooking, so that's good. And this place was $40 a night, which isn't too bad for Cancun prices. So we've just got into our car that we're going to be renting for the next 3 days. We got it from a company called National. We've heard that in the airport, a lot of the big companies, they charge way more. We got it for about $30 a day, and that's with basic insurance, which is required here in Mexico. And then Carol's credit card covers all the full insurance stuff. So yeah, 30 a day, and I think if you get it for a week, you can get it as low as like $25, so that's pretty good. And now we're going to head to a place called Isla Blanca, which is supposed to be some beautiful like deserted beach up north, like an hour away. So yeah, really looking forward to checking out that place. And is this your first time driving in Mexico?
Yeah, Mexico, yeah.
I've driven in Mexico, but not you.
My first time. Hope it's gonna be all easy, I don't know.
Good luck. So if you come into Isla Blanca, keep in mind that the road is absolutely horrible. There was a part that was all like modern, but yeah, look at this now, just big holes in the ground. Carol's going nice and slow. You need a Jeep?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at the size of these holes. Looks nice around here though, check it out. It's like all plants and trees. Go ahead, Tricky. Here we go, now we got a nice big puddle. Now this is the worst road ever. So we made it. It's not actually an hour because the point that shows on Google Maps, you can't go that far. You have to stop like halfway on the little island strip, and you just had to pay 100 pesos back there just to park and stuff. They have an area with like a restaurant and bathrooms, so it's not completely deserted. And check how cool this is. So on this side, the left side, this is one huge lagoon, and we saw like loads of kite surfing schools, stuff like that, right? Yeah, it's already quite windy now, so yeah, they have those activities here. And then on the other side is the beach and the ocean. It's pretty cool because you get a lagoon and a beach. Yeah, so this area, I guess if you pay a bit more, you can get one of these little huts with shade and a table to eat at and stuff like that. We're not going to be doing that though. They also have little deck chairs and stuff. Completely deserted.
Yeah, only us and another couple.
Well, yeah, an older couple back there.
Yeah.
I'm guessing a lot of this damage is from the hurricanes, so you can see bits of like roofs and stuff broken. I guess this was one of these little huts, but it's broken. Probably was the hurricane, right?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. The weather is always like this every time we come to this region.
Yeah, it keeps opening up and then it's just cloudy again, and then it opens up and then it's cloudy again.
We've been here twice before now, and every single time was like this. Even in different times of the year.
Yeah, now it's winter here, I think, right?
Yeah, so it's pretty cool actually, the temperature. Yeah. It's not like boiling hot.
No.
Yeah, so it ends up being around like 23 degrees Celsius during the day, like the hottest at the moment. So yeah, that's not that hot at all, but it's actually quite nice to walk around so you're not like sweating like crazy or anything. It's very windy over here though. But this strip, it basically just goes on for like another 30 minutes in the car. That's what it showed on Google Maps. So there's literally no development on this part. And back there in the distance is Isla Mujeres. We went to that island 2 years ago. And over there is the hotel zone of Cancun, I think. So everything's pretty close. You can just get a ferry to that place. So we brought some snacks with us, got some tuna toilet roll sandwiches. We didn't have tin foil or cling film, so yeah, we had to improvise. Some more people here now at this place.
It's very well wrapped.
Mummified tuna sandwich. I think they had a lady selling some like stall food or something though, right?
There?
Yeah, over there.
Yeah, maybe, but we didn't know they would have a restaurant or something, so we just brought this.
Yeah. Well, we didn't even know they'd have all this.
Yeah.
I thought it was completely deserted. So now we're just going on a quick walk up the beach, see if there's anything different up there. I think it's pretty much all similar though. That's what I saw on the drone. It actually looked like there was another kind of area there where there was deck chairs and stuff, so it's not only the part that we were at. And you can probably see that they have the sargassum here, which has been a big problem lately around this area. The seaweed, stinky seaweed. It doesn't actually smell right now, does it?
I think they're old.
But if you look in the water, there's no seaweed at all, so it's completely clean. And I don't think they clean this, so this is just naturally like this. I guess there hasn't been any seaweed coming in for a while. Only that really old stuff there. And a lot of you guys always ask us how we find these spots, like these emptier places. Because a lot of people that come to Cancun just go to the hotel zone and stay around there. I was watching recent videos to see how busy this place was, and every single video was only there. But we found this place on Google Maps. We do that a lot. Like, you look on Google Maps at different areas, and then I saw this strip above Cancun, clicked on it, saw people's reviews saying that it's quiet even in the normal season. So yeah, that's why we thought it'd be perfect to come now, because obviously we don't want to be around any crowds or anything during this phase. So yeah, it was a good idea. Good spot to come to, right?
Yeah.
Relaxing spot.
Beautiful.
Yeah, completely beautiful. And it's so big that even in like high season, you could easily find empty spots all the time, because it just goes on forever. Loving that water though. We haven't seen water like that since the Philippines. 3 to 4 months. So if you wanted to drive further up the little island, this is how the road would have been. It's pure sand, so no chance our car was gonna get up here. Nice little spot here on the lagoon though. I think this is like a car park. Guy over here is gonna go kite surfing, I think. What's that?
I don't know the name.
Whoa.
It's like an alien.
Yeah, it is like an alien. Looks like a fossil. Look at that. Some sort of like crabby thing.
Yeah.
Bizarre. You know, it reminds me a bit of Isla Holbox.
Yeah, like the same kind of sand, like white sand, and then lagoon.
Yeah, mangrove area. Ah, there it goes. Kite surfing looks like it would be hard.
Yeah.
Like you need a lot of force.
Yeah, a lot of strength in your arms, I think.
Yeah, maybe we'll check this guy going out. Oh, there he goes. We're gonna be heading out now. We spent about 2 or 3 hours here, but we're really tired. We're still really feeling the jet lag. We're kind of in Portugal's time zone, so I woke up at 4 AM this morning and then I just couldn't get back to bed at all. But now that we're leaving, it's super nice and sunny. Yeah, beautiful place though. Definitely recommend visiting here. So we're gonna be eating in today. That's another reason why we decided to stay in an apartment, because we wanted to cook more. Carol just cooked some spaghetti or pasta, right?
Yeah.
Tuna
and spinach.
Got lentils there as well.
Yeah, lentils too.
So we ended up getting quite a bit from the supermarket here. Got like this black bean paste, not sure what we're going to do with that yet. Obviously the pasta here. Got some weird teas as well. This one, cactus tea. Tastes kind of weird, but not too bad. And this one, turmeric, ginger, and what's canela again? Cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon canela. And what else did we get? Quinoa, oatmeal, lentils, garlic, banana, some grainy bread, spinach, and then in the fridge I don't think we have that much. Our bad addiction Coke, olive light butter, some yogurt drinks, milk, and that's about it. And all that was $30 and it'll last us probably 3 to 4 days, so yeah, pretty good price. The master chef. So as it stands, we're planning on being here in Mexico for possibly 2 to 3 months. That's the current plan. We don't know how things are going to play out, right? But yeah, that's what we're thinking at the moment. So if you enjoyed this video, just drop a like to support us, follow us on Instagram, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.